Hello there, this is Shannon with Keller Williams, the Pismo Beach Homes team. I am so excited to tell you about our brand new listing at 2520 Lara Lane in Oceano. This is a single level 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that has so much to offer. Check out all the photos in this video and you'll be able to see, but let me show you the best part. Behind this 36-foot wrought iron automatic opening gate is an almost 1,000-square-foot workshop that can fit up to 4 cars. Plus, there's RV parking with cleanouts and hookups. We'll have this property open Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Check the times in this post, and we'll be happy to show you this property. Once again, this is Shannon with Keller Williams, the Pismo Beach Homes team.